Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to check TikTok account creation date. So let's start. It's very easy. In fact, there is no an option for checking the creation date from your TikTok account. However, there is a way to check when you start using TikTok. So let's go to TikTok. Now let's go to our profile and let's go to the three lines in the right side. Just click there, and then let's go to settings and privacy. Here let's go to our activity center. Here let's wait. Okay, now here just select the option that says video history. Just click there, and here you have all the videos that you have been watched in from the time that you start using TikTok. For example, if you use the filter, just click there, and here you have options that say yesterday, last week, last month, or you can select the date. So let's select the date, and here you will find the day when you start using TikTok. For example, I start using this in March 20. So in this way, just select that part and you will put confirm for watching. What videos did you watch, what videos you watch in that date. And good guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like.